Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is October 2nd, 2024, and we're looking at the QQQ, the Nasdaq-100 ETF, to see if we can uncover any actionable insights from the recent news and chart data. The Nasdaq has been under pressure lately, with the recent escalation of the Middle East conflict creating a sense of uncertainty in the market. Investors are seeking safe havens, leading to a flight to quality, which often translates to a sell-off in riskier assets like tech stocks. This news event has undoubtedly contributed to the recent decline we see in the QQQ. Let's take a look at the daily chart to see how QQQ has been behaving. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that QQQ has been in a downtrend for the past few weeks, and the recent decline has broken through the previous support level at 450. The next key support level to watch is around 430, a major area that has held the price up in the past. Above, we have resistance levels at 460 and 480, which have acted as ceilings in previous rallies. It's important to note that these levels are just guidelines and they can be broken. We need to look at the bigger picture and the overall market sentiment to get a better idea of where the price might be headed. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if there are any short-term opportunities. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that QQQ has been forming a series of lower highs and lower lows, suggesting that the downtrend is still in play. The price is currently testing the 480 resistance level, which has held the price up in the past. If the price breaks through this level, it could signal a short-term reversal to the upside. However, if the price fails to break through, it could continue its downtrend towards the 470 support level. Let's examine the 15-minute chart to see if we can pinpoint any potential entry points. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility, but we can see that the price has been consolidating around the 480 level for the past hour. There is a potential for a breakout on this time frame, but it's crucial to wait for a clear signal before entering a trade. One thing to look for is a breakout above the recent high, which is around 485. A breakout below the recent low, which is around 483, could signal a continuation of the downtrend. The key is to identify a clear pattern and confirm the direction of the trend before entering a trade. Looking back at the daily chart, we can see that the recent decline has been quite sharp, and it could be setting up for a potential bounce. However, the overall market sentiment is still negative, and the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East are likely to weigh on the market for the foreseeable future. If the price breaks below the 430 support level, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend towards the 400 level. On the other hand, if the price manages to hold above the 430 support level and breaks through the 460 resistance level, it could signal a short-term reversal to the upside. It's important to be cautious and monitor the price action closely. The 1-hour chart shows a bit more short-term optimism, with the price potentially breaking through the 480 resistance level. However, the daily chart is suggesting a potential continuation of the downtrend, so traders need to be mindful of the bigger picture. If the price breaks above the 480 level, it could signal a short-term rally, but it's crucial to see if this rally can sustain itself. On the 15-minute chart, we see a lot of back and forth, with the price consolidating around the 480 level. Traders need to be patient and wait for a clear signal before entering a trade. A breakout above the 485 level could signal a short-term rally, while a breakout below the 483 level could signal a continuation of the downtrend. In conclusion, the QQQ is currently facing headwinds due to the ongoing geopolitical tensions and a bearish market sentiment. The daily chart is suggesting a potential continuation of the downtrend, with the 430 level acting as the next key support. The 1-hour chart shows some short-term optimism, with the potential for a breakout above the 480 resistance level. However, the 15-minute chart is showing a lot of volatility, and traders need to be patient and wait for a clear signal before entering a trade. It's crucial to monitor the price action closely, especially around the key support and resistance levels. If the price breaks below the 430 level, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend, while a breakout above the 460 level could signal a short-term reversal to the upside. In the short term, the 480 level on the 1-hour chart and the 485 level on the 15-minute chart are important levels to watch. Traders should also be mindful of the overall market sentiment and the geopolitical developments in the Middle East. Stay tuned for more technical analysis videos on Explain the Charts. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future insights.